Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Dropbox API using OAuth 2.0 step by step clearly. To authenticate with the Dropbox API using OAuth 2.0, start by registering your application on the Dropbox App Console. Visit the Dropbox App Console website and log in with your Dropbox account. Click on Create App to begin the application registration process. Select the type of access you need for your application. Fill in the required fields, including the name of your app. Once your app is created, take note of your app key and app secret provided on the app settings page. Next, navigate to the OAuth 2.0 settings in the App Console. Set the redirect URI for your application. This URI will be used to redirect users back to your app after authorization. Now, you need to generate an authorization URL. Using your app key, construct the authorization URL with the necessary parameters. The parameters include the response type, redirect URI, and the requested scopes. Direct the user to this authorization URL. The user will see a Dropbox authorization screen where they can grant access to your app. Once the user grants permission, they will be redirected to your specified redirect URI. This redirection will include a temporary authorization code as a query parameter. Capture this authorization code from the URL. Now, you will exchange this code for an access token. Make a post request to the Dropbox token endpoint using your app key, app secret, and the authorization code. Ensure to include the redirect URI in this request. If successful, Dropbox will respond with an access token. Store this access token securely. You can now use this access token to make authorized API calls to the Dropbox API. Remember that access tokens may expire, so implement a refresh mechanism if needed. For any additional API requests, include the access token in the authorization header as a bearer token. This completes the OAuth 2.0 authentication process with the Dropbox API. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.